Hey guys, got a 2025 plate Volkswagen Golf here. Just going to show you how to turn on and off the automatic emergency brake on this one. So on this one, we're going to make sure your ignition is turned on and then come to the screen in the center of the dash. And from here, you want to press the button underneath that says assist. And menu. And then when you press menu and assist, you'll come up with these settings here. And then if you scroll down, go to front assist emergency braking. So that is when you have cars in front of you and they brake and you don't notice, the car will brake for you. If you don't like that on, you can press the blue box there, confirm to turn off, and now it won't brake for you. Let's turn it back on, just stick it back on, and that's that.